Another important part of the bond is our facility maintenance. As you know, in Arizona, it can get a little warm, so our HVAC has to work. And that's another big part of our bond, is keeping our HVAC units up to date as we move tons of air with these massive machines to cool these large buildings. So that is a big expense that the bond helps pay. It also takes care of our roofs. All of our roofs in the district are all bought and paid for by a bond. The bond directly supports the students through the facilities and the structures. Safety is super important. We are going to continue to install more security cameras, update them. We're looking at installing automatic hallway door locks and upgrade our playgrounds, improve our intercoms and our fire alarm systems that constantly need to be updated.